But I'm happy that the body of parties, which is IPOB, has come to identify with the true and right authority. I'm not just identifying, assuring us that we are going to work with us for a better and progressive River State. What else do I want? Nothing. River State belongs to every one of us. If my desire is to burn the state down, then I don't love the state. No matter what it is, any right-thinking person, no matter how bitter you might be, for one reason or the other, should first think of River State. If River State is not there, you don't even have a platform. If River State is not existing, that political strength that we're claiming, where are you going to exercise it? For me, within my power, and everyone who is working with me, we have made a promise to the people of River State. We will protect and defend genuinely the interests of River State. So I'm happy receiving you this afternoon. I'm also happy that it's on record that the governor is the grand patron. There can't be two patron now. Grand patron. It's one at a time. So for now, I'm the one. So coming down to the activities of IPOB, I want to urge you to continue to maintain peace. You've gone through a lot. There have been a lot of crises here and there. I know some set of people came to me some time ago that they just finished the election and I also received them. But the truth is, we can say it written black and white here, from the highest authority recognizing this particular group as the authentic. So we as a government will have no other thing to do but to work with this group. We are going to work with you. Let me assure you, I've read through your demand to be part of our government. Definitely we'll make appointments and we'll ask for input from you. We will provide the bus that you are demanding. So, for mobility, we will also support and sponsor your upcoming program. This is the right thing to do. I don't need to do it because I want to control you. I will never ask for that. We're doing it because it is our duty to provide for the parties when they come together as one for effective support to good governance. Good governance is, in fact, in primary school we said egalitarian society, where you are expected to be free to air your mind. You're not intimidated. You're not scared. That's the kind of governance that we want to provide. So we're happy to identify with you, and we're assuring you, even if you live here, criticize me, I don't have any problem. It is for me to do well. Eh? That is what we want. Criticize me when you live here. It's for we to do well. But we will continue to give you the freedom. We will not cage anybody. will not revoke their property.